Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to speed up clips in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to the Edit tab. Then here, right-click the clip into your timeline and select Change Clip Speed. Then, the pop-up window will increase the speed percent. Set it to 200% for the 2 times faster. You can also check the ripple timeline if you want the rest of the clips to adjust automatically. Then, to use a retime control for the option 2, just right-click the clip and choose the retime controls. A speed bar will appear in the top of the clip and click the arrow next to the speed and you can choose a preset. You can adjust the speed to 200% or 400% and more. Then drag the speed handles to adjust how long the speed effects last. And that's how you edit the speed up clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.